Coming at you with a review for the Extremerate IPS ready Game Boy Advance shell. Highly disappointed with the quality of this thing. Trying to get even higher quality shoulder buttons to align properly and engage with the clickiness was not the easiest task. I do see the appeal for a drop-in IPS screen. However, in regards to it being streamlined, that was not the case. I'd rather have a OEM shell and make hand trim adjustments as needed. I even went as far as using resin buttons and did not use the gray shoulder buttons and side pieces. I ordered that separately from Handheld Legend. So, anyways, I think it's a little overpriced for what you pay for, and that's me being absolutely modest about my opinion on it. But you're not going to find a two-toned chameleon shell. So if you are that much of a bougie individual and you got to go for these hot exotic colors, then God bless you and do it. You're going to find a little bit of a learning curve and some issues putting it together, even if you're a more experienced modder like myself. Anyways, I hope this is useful to you. Uh, One last thing I do need to mention is the battery terminals that it came with were hot garbage, real flimsy. So I had to actually harvest from the old shell the negative battery terminal and slide that assembly in there, unfortunately. I hope this is helpful to anyone that's watching this, and happy modding.